karahipi ko pihinga e ma te hoetahi e ke panuku e ke tangaroe ko mātou
Lauren Tipene, harapō.
I went up north to my whakahirahira at the beginning of this year, and when I came back I had this overwhelming sense that I needed to enroll to become a nurse, and I know it was something that was decided for me and not something that I decided myself, so here I am.
I am Mama, and this is my daughter Lace, and she's the oldest out of my children. Very grateful for the Mana Whenua scholarship I got today.
The support from the Manaaki team has been a huge help. Even with the Mana Whenua scholarship that I received this year, I didn't even know about it until they forced me to apply for it, so.
I always tried to aim for the top marks and aim for the top grades, just try to push myself really hard, and yeah, seemed to have paid off.
The support from MPPT was really good, because it's not just helping with your study as well, but go an extra mile to get what you need, especially the tools for me to get in my foot in the industry.
Paving the way for our whānau through education to where we are now, 2024, as a Year 3 social worker student is, it's a beautiful space to be in.
Ko Belinda Hoepa tōku ingoa, and I am studying social work.
Kia ora, my name is Lace McCool and I am studying the Bachelor of Social Work.
Tēnā koe, ko Lauren Tipene tōku ingoa. At the moment I'm studying a Bachelor of Nursing here at Wintec.
My name is Teokila Levy. I study at Wintec Automotive Level 3.
I'm Sarah Darlington, I'm a student at Wintec here, and I was studying hairdressing.
Kia ora, I'm Jack Taiapoa and I'm studying a Bachelor of Nursing.
The other piece of advice is Dora has the best coffees.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you get a discount. Cool, thank you.